Welcome back to our channel, MomFeedO. Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect chicken Manchurian every time. This is a delicious and popular Chinese dish that is made with chicken, vegetables, and a sweet and sour sauce. It's perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal, or for a special occasion. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 3 1/2 teaspoon salt. 4 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 5 1 egg, beaten. 6 1/4 cup cornstarch. 7 1/4 cup vegetable oil, for frying. 8 1 onion, chopped. 9 1 green bell pepper, chopped. 10 1/2 cup ketchup. 11 1/2 cup tomato paste. 12 1/4 cup soy sauce. 13 1/4 cup rice vinegar. 14 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 15 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 16 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 17 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder. 18 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine the chicken, flour, salt, and pepper. 1. Toss to coat. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg and cornstarch. 2. Dip the chicken pieces in the egg mixture, then coat them in the breadcrumb mixture. 3. Heat the oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. 3. Add the chicken pieces and cook until golden brown and cooked through, about 5 minutes per side. 4. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. 5. Add the onion and bell pepper to the skillet and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 6. Add the ketchup, tomato paste, soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, chili sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, and black pepper to the skillet. 6. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened. 7. Add the chicken to the sauce and stir to coat. 7. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until heated through. 8. Serve hot over rice or noodles. Tips: 1. For a more flavorful chicken, marinate the chicken in a mixture of soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic powder, ginger powder, and black pepper for at least 30 minutes before cooking. 2. If you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use a mixture of cornstarch and wheat flour. 3. To make the chicken extra crispy, double coat the chicken in the breadcrumb mixture. 4. If you don't have a wok, you can use a large skillet. 4. Just make sure to cook the chicken in batches so that it doesn't crowd the pan. 5. Serve the chicken Manchurian hot over rice or noodles. Enjoy! If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel MomFeedO. Thank you for watching.